Goa is not a habitat for tiger. It is a pathway. It is well identified that it's a pathway. Tiger passes through that area. So these two factors, once you identify that the number of people who are going to be impacted, because this Supreme Court wants to know that. I mean, if there are lakhs of people who are going to be impacted over this decision, then definitely, that will weigh against.
Those facts need to come on record.
Come on record.
Yeah.
And secondly, of course, if it is Goa is not a habitat for tigers, I mean, again, that is will go against the tiger reserve.
Yeah.
But for now, it looks like that tiger reserve, I mean, all things point against the tiger reserve, because you cannot trample upon people's livelihoods. You cannot see Pramod Meloli, IIT chair tasat jallo. When there is something which is coming against the livelihoods of people or displacing people, rehabilitation जे government म्हणता ते जावंक शकूच ना. Like when livelihoods are going to be affected, how you are going to rehabilitate them and to what an extent? खंय करतलो तेंका? Because they are, finally it
is not a question of shifting your residence.
It is
about your livelihood.
Yeah, and then your entire ecosystem changes. People's lives will be turned upside down. So if it is just about 5,000 people or a few people, yes, you can consider maybe rehabilitating.
That certainly doesn't look like the case.
Doesn't look like the case. Like, let's wait and see what the CEC is supposed to. I mean, I hope they address it some point of time. Maybe if they talk to the media, we'll come to know. Otherwise, they may be directly reporting to the Supreme Court.
Yeah.